Welcome back to our channel. If you've been hunting for a powerful laptop that won't break the bank, today's your lucky day. We're counting down the top 5 laptops under $1,000 in 2025. And trust me, these picks are loaded with performance, style, and value. I'll be sharing my personal favorites that can handle everything from work to gaming. And yes, I've dropped all the purchase links down below so you can check them out instantly. Let's dive in. Kicking off our list at number 5, we have the Acer Nitro 5. The Acer Nitro 5 gaming laptop. Designed for gamers, creators, and multitaskers, this powerhouse blends speed, visuals, and comfort in one sleek package. At its heart lies the 9th generation Intel Core i5-9300H processor, clocking up to 4.1 GHz for smooth gameplay and rapid task handling. Paired with the NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 graphics card, featuring 4 GB of dedicated GDDR5 VRAM, you can enjoy crisp visuals, realistic textures, and fluid frame rates, whether you're battling online opponents or editing high-resolution videos. The 15.6-inch Full HD widescreen IPS LED backlit display brings every detail to life with vibrant colors and wide viewing angles, making it perfect for both gaming and streaming. Backed by 8GB DDR4 memory and a 256GB PCIe NVMe SSD, load times are lightning fast, and there's room for easy upgrades thanks to an extra PCIe M.2 slot and available hard drive bay. Connectivity is future-ready with Wi-Fi 6 for lag-free online gaming and Gigabit Ethernet LAN for stable wired connections. Whether at home or on the go, the Nitro 5 ensures you're always connected and ready to play. The backlit keyboard not only enhances your gaming experience in low-light settings, but also adds a stylish touch. With Acer CoolBoost technology, twin fans, and dual exhaust ports, your system stays cool under pressure, giving you consistent performance during extended gaming marathons. Compact, bold, and performance-driven, the Acer Nitro 5 gaming laptop is the perfect blend of power, style, and value, ready to take your gaming experience to the next level. At number 4, the Asus TUF Gaming A15. And yes, the TUF stands for tough, because this laptop is built like a tank. The Asus 2025 TUF Gaming A15, a laptop engineered for serious gamers and content creators who demand speed, clarity, and endurance. At its core, the AMD Ryzen 7 7435HS processor with 8 cores and 16 threads delivers blistering speeds up to 4.5 GHz, ensuring smooth multitasking and lightning-fast response times. Paired with NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 graphics and 4 GB of GDDR6 VRAM, you can experience ultra-realistic visuals, advanced ray tracing, and buttery smooth frame rates thanks to a 144Hz Full HD IPS display. This 15.6-inch screen covers 100% sRGB for vibrant color accuracy, supports AMD FreeSync Premium to eliminate tearing, and features an anti-glare finish for uninterrupted focus. Whether you're in the heat of competitive esports or deep into cinematic open-world adventures, the display keeps you immersed. Equipped with 16 GB of blazing fast DDR5 4800 MHz RAM and a massive 1 TB PCIe SSD, the TUF A15 offers instant load times, ample storage, and the flexibility to handle demanding AAA titles and heavy creative workloads with ease. Audio is equally impressive with Dolby Atmos delivering immersive, crystal-clear soundscapes, from the roar of engines to the subtle footsteps of enemies. The RGB backlit keyboard not only adds style but also enhances low-light gaming sessions. Built tough yet lightweight at just 4.85 pounds and 0.87 inches thin, it's portable without compromising durability. The upgraded thermal cooling system keeps your laptop running at peak performance even during long gaming marathons. Connectivity is future-ready with Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, Thunderbolt 4, HDMI, RJ45 LAN, and a built-in webcam. Plus, it includes a 128GB portable SSD for extra storage on the go. With the Asus 2025 TUF Gaming A15, every match, mission, and media project feels faster, sharper, and more immersive. Coming in at number 3, the HP Victus 16. The HP Victus 16, a powerhouse built for those who demand the best in speed, visuals, and multitasking. Designed for AAA gaming, esports, and high-end streaming, this laptop blends cutting-edge components with premium craftsmanship to deliver a smooth, immersive experience. At its core is the AMD Ryzen 7 8845HS processor, boasting 8 cores, 16 threads, and speeds up to 5.1 GHz. This CPU delivers blistering performance for gaming, content creation, and multitasking without compromise. Paired with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 GPU featuring 8 GB of GDDR6 memory, you'll enjoy stunning visuals, advanced ray tracing, and AI-powered DLSS 3 for fluid, high frame rate gameplay even at max settings. The 16.1-inch Full HD IPS display offers a fast 144Hz refresh rate, AMD FreeSync for tear-free motion, 300 nits of brightness, and micro-edge bezels for a truly immersive viewing experience. Whether you're in the middle of an esports battle or exploring expansive open-world games, the visual clarity is unmatched. With an upgraded 64GB DDR5 4800MHz RAM and a massive 2TB PCIe NVMe SSD, this laptop ensures lightning-fast load times, seamless multitasking, and ample space for your game library, creative projects, and media. Connectivity is future-ready, featuring USB Type-C with power delivery and DisplayPort 1.4a, multiple USB-A ports, HDMI 2.1 supporting up to 4K external displays, RJ45 LAN, Wi-Fi 6, and Bluetooth 5.3. The backlit keyboard keeps you gaming comfortably in any lighting condition. Built for longevity and reliability, the HP Victus 16 comes with a 3-year warranty on upgraded components and a 1-year manufacturer warranty on remaining parts. Preloaded with Windows 11 Home, it's ready for both play and productivity from day one. At number 2, the Dell XPS 15. Yes, the premium laptop that usually costs a fortune. But in 2025, Dell has a special under $1,000 configuration. The Dell XPS 15 is the perfect fusion of elegance and performance. Crafted for professionals, creators, and power users who demand uncompromising quality. With a refined silver chassis, precision engineering, and premium materials, it's as visually stunning as it is powerful. Powered by a 10th-gen Intel Core i7 processor, the XPS 15 delivers fast, responsive computing whether you're editing high-resolution media, managing complex projects, or multitasking between demanding applications. Coupled with the NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 Ti graphics card featuring 4GB of GDDR6 VRAM, you get smooth rendering, immersive visuals, and the ability to tackle creative workloads with ease. The 15-inch FHD Plus 16:10 display features edge-to-edge technology, Display HDR 400, and Dolby Vision for incredible brightness, contrast, and color accuracy. Eye-safe display technology reduces harmful blue light without compromising color, ensuring comfortable viewing during long work sessions. Designed with usability in mind, it features a 62% larger touchpad and a 5% larger screen compared to previous models, all while maintaining a 5.6% smaller footprint. The quad-speaker design with Waves NX audio delivers rich, immersive sound, making it perfect for both entertainment and professional audio work. With 16GB of high-speed RAM and a 512GB PCIe solid-state drive, you'll enjoy lightning-fast boot times, instant file access, and the space you need for large projects. Built on Windows 10 Home, the XPS 15 offers a familiar, secure environment enhanced by premium build quality and thoughtful design. The high-polished, diamond-cut sidewalls add a touch of luxury, making this laptop not just a workhorse, but a statement piece. And at number 1, we have the Acer Swift Go 14, the ultimate all-rounder. The Acer Swift Go 14 redefines what a premium portable laptop can do. Designed for professionals, creators, and multitaskers on the go, this pure silver beauty combines cutting-edge hardware with elegant craftsmanship to deliver exceptional performance in a slim form factor. At its heart is the Intel Core Ultra 7 155H processor, a 16-core powerhouse with 6 performance cores, 10 efficiency cores, and 22 threads, reaching speeds up to 4.8 GHz with Intel Turbo Boost. Paired with Intel Arc graphics, it handles everything from complex productivity tasks to high-quality media creation with ease. The 14-inch Wua XGA IPS touchscreen offers stunning clarity, 100% sRGB color accuracy, and 400 nits brightness, all wrapped in an anti-glare comfy view matte finish. The eye-safe display technology helps reduce blue light, keeping your eyes comfortable during extended use. With 16GB of ultra-fast LPDDR5 RAM and a 1TB PCIe NVMe SSD, you get lightning-quick load times, seamless multitasking, and ample storage for large files, applications, and creative projects. Stay connected with Wi-Fi 6E for high-speed wireless performance and enjoy versatile connectivity via dual Thunderbolt 4 ports, USB 3.2 Gen 1 ports, HDMI 2.1, and a 3.5mm audio jack. The fingerprint reader adds secure one-touch login, while the backlit keyboard ensures you can work in any lighting environment. Weighing just 2.91 pounds and measuring only 0.59 inches thin, the Swift Go 14 is designed for portability without compromise. Its 65-hour battery offers up to 8 hours of use, keeping you productive throughout the day. So there you have it, my top 5 laptops under $1,000 in 2025. Which one would you pick? Let me know in the comments below, and if this video helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more tech deals, and ring that notification bell so you never miss out. All the links are in the description for you. Happy laptop hunting, and I'll see you in the next video.